feeling like it is none of your business. Some of you have been saying they deserve it. Some of you are even calling that they should keep more of them. You are just not smart. Let me tell you this. They have been killing them. They have been seeing their young brothers, their sisters, their mothers, their fathers being slaughtered, humiliated, tortured by the Nigerian government. Secretly, that many of you don't even know or believe. So if you think, now that they say they are going to defend themselves, and when they defend themselves, you will know, Nigeria will feel it. So you think, oh, they will just kill all of them. Where is the war? Is Nnamdi Kanu going to send them weapon? This and that, and all those blah blah gibberish you are jibing on social media. Let me tell you something. You will be the one that will be shocked, not them anymore. They have been living with that every day of their lives. Every day they have been living like they can get killed simply because they are Igbos. Just simply because you are Igbo. You can get killed by the security in Nigeria. You can get framed up for anything. You can get prosecuted for anything simply because you are Igbo. You are Igbo. So they have been living with that all their lives. Many of them, millions of them, by the way, they have adjusted. They have managed to adjust to that life, while others are trying to say, no, we will not adjust to this life. Those are the ones you think will die. They have been killing them. Just the same way they have been killing many people from your own tribe too. You just haven't paid attention. So they say they are going to harm themselves. You want to turn to preacher on social media. You lily liver coward. Lily liver coward. These are people that are being summarily arrested on no or committance of any offense, summarily arrested. Many of them are now being locked up in different illegal cells across Nigeria on trumped up charges that eventually was simply because they are Igbos. And you are now saying, if they start going after those security agents themselves, can they fight war? They have been living in war. You haven't really left your own small town to go see things, have you? Maybe you should. If you go there, just pack your bag now. Go on a tour. Go on a tour. Go now. At least take a tour to the end of Calabar. Cross the Niger. Keep going. Then you will understand the type of Nigeria that you are living in. But they have not told you. You are living in a polarized, divided, deadbeat country. But they have not told you. And you have not even tried to find out. You have not tried to find out. They killed them. If you go on YouTube right now, just type it there that IPOB versus police death. Police killing IPOB members. Type it into Google. You will see millions of links that's going to point you at one thing. They have always been endangered. So if they are going to say, oh, what did they do that they have started shooting them now? What did they do? Nothing. So you now think, now that they will deal with those who are dealing with them, then they should be worried. Hey, they will just kill all your people. They have been killing them, my dear. And they want to end it. That is why they are asking to go their way. We want to leave. That's what they said. Let's go. Leave us alone. We will leave you alone. Let us leave. Let us go. You are killing us. We can't talk about it. We can't fight for it. We will never get justice here. And every day, it gets worse and worse and worse. It wasn't. Let us go. And you think that they will kill them again. It's going to be the big news. No. You know what will be the news now? What will be the news is when your police goes missing. When your military officers start going missing. When hundreds and hundreds and thousands of them start going missing. Their bodies not found. Then that will be what will be the news then. The news won't be Nigerian military killed IPOB. That will no longer be new. It won't be news. What will be news is when your military and your police officers and every other security, they know them. They say it. We know them. We just haven't received the order to go after them. They live in their communities. They live within the Igbo land too. They know where they are. They know their family members. They know their friends. They know where they, They said they just haven't received the order to deal with them. So what will become the news is not that they killed IPOB members. That will not be the news anymore. Some of you have been reading that. You have been justifying it, Abi. You have been laughing. You have been saying, yes, they deserve it. Kill all of them. They are terrorists. Fine. You are used to that, yeah? What you are not used to is to say, oh, 300 policemen missing in the entire Southeast in October alone. In November, 800 police officers plus military men, civil defense, and some DSS, they are missing. 800 DK in the entire Southeast. If they post you to Southeast, you will resign from police force. Then that will be the news. And that is what you are not prepared for. Because some of you still think it's going to be a guerrilla. Yeah, Abi? Just wait for it. You watch them massacre harmless people. People who have done nothing. They have not attacked anybody. They have not kidnapped anybody. They have not killed anybody. They have not even destroyed any property. You call them terrorists. And you begin to hunt them, kill them, arrest them. Trump up charges and lock them up. But those who are killing people, those who are cutting off heads, those who are entering villages and massacring people, you are rehabilitating them. You are giving them money. Offering them education. Sending them back into the society. No court prosecution. No jail term. Just free passage. In the same country. We go here on. Because this is what I see. Some of you are looking for miracle. I've got one session for you. Miracle will not work. Prayers will not work. What will work is the common sense. Nigeria is deliberately killing the Igbos. They are deliberately killing Igbos and killing them systematically, and also killing anyone who try to speak up and ask them to stop. Miracle that you're looking for. Maybe you will find it here. Let's try.